Hello friends, my name is Pawan Dakal, and in this video we'll talk about a tragic story of a genius. At the age of 86, a man was found dead inside a hotel room who was just having milk and biscuit for several days because he didn't have any money at the death row of his life, at the end time of his life, and he was Nikola Tesla. So the other day I was watching an interview of Elon Musk where Elon Musk had a company called Tesla Motors, and there is a reason he kept that name of his company because all the things that are used uh, in his electric car are the concept of mostly the concept are of from Nikola Tesla. And Elon Musk told in that interview he do like the work of Nikola Tesla. Nikola Tesla was absolutely a genius, but he liked more about Thomas Edison because Thomas Edison was able to bring his thing into public when he was alive. Basically, I think that meant to be marketing. Now, what happened at that time? Uh, Nikola Tesla was absolutely genius. He did everything he could. He used his skills to develop uh, alternating current, AC current, which was predicted to be the future of the electricity at that time. And it is true that whatever we use today, all things have uh, alternating current, AC. And Thomas Edison was in support of DC, direct current, and that became a problem between Thomas Edison and Nikola Tesla. And Thomas Edison did each and everything that he could to fail Nikola Tesla because he was feared that his things would be gone if he didn't made some move or attack in Nikola Tesla. And he secretly crucified a prisoner who got death penalty at that time by uh, using AC current, uh, and that putting that prisoner in the chair and uh, making him dead by uh, putting AC current. And other thing that he did to destroy Tesla was he tortured some elephant, horse, such kind of animals, and advertised those things that AC current are dangerous. And but Nikola Tesla didn't defend any of his things that any of the things that Thomas Edison did. And I personally think that was a huge mistake of Nikola Tesla because if someone is directly coming to attack you, then you need to be either defendant or uh, attack to attack in the similar way, so that that can create a situation of fear in both. Okay, but Nikola Tesla completely ignored it, and uh, like he had lots of pattern, but at the end of his life he was totally alone, totally broke, because I think even he was a genius, but he didn't watch about his financial stuff and other stuff. He was completely dedicated and focused in towards it's towards his work. But uh, in life, I think we need to think about several things. uh, we need to make our stand, personally. Until we are alive, we are human. We feel angry, we feel hunger, and work is absolutely important. We cannot ignore that part, but work is not the everything. Other things that we live in a society, we live with people, and everything that is going on, we need to make a place for ourselves, so that no one can move us. That stand we need to have. Okay, and that can save us on several ups and down or phases of our life. So this much I want to tell you today. I hope this video was helpful for you. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.